First, you start out with 3 cups of flour. Next, you'll need 3/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. You'll also need 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And just incorporate this together. And you want to mix room temperature water, 1.5 cups plus 2 tablespoons. Okay, so it should be about like this sticky, which is really good stickiness. The final ingredient is going to be whatever seasonings you like. So I'm going to put everything bagel seasoning in this, and I actually think I'm going to season it with both of these, the Green Goddess. Before I wrap this, I wanted to show you just where it's at right now as far as the depth that it'll be in the bowl, because it will rise over the 8 hours. Look, it is now time to make some bread. And then you want to set your oven to 425 degrees, and you actually want to put your entire Dutch oven inside of the oven while the oven is preheating, and let the Dutch oven warm up. A little bit of flour here. Scoop out the dough and put it right on top of that flour. Okay, now that we have this sitting here coated properly, we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Take the hot pot out of the oven and you scoop up your bread, which should come off the surface fairly easily. Scoop it up just like that and just set it in to the pot. Put the top back on, and then you cook it in the oven with the lid on for 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. So now I'm just gonna open this up and I'm gonna cook it for another 10 to 20 minutes. Done. It looks amazing. Look at this bread. So I'm just gonna cut into this and make me a little bit of toast this morning. All right, make this look pretty for y'all, but toasted bread, and then just break off a piece, and I just melted my butter. And I just lay it in there, and then I eat it. Oh my God. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good.